Hey everyone, I'm Sue Daley and I'm here with Speke Hall week number 7. Don't forget to ring the little bell or click on like, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, then you get your notifications in time. This is the bundle that I'm using, Faith, Hope and Love. It's really just such a beautiful collection of fabric, and you know, such great memories for me. That's how it comes, a big fat quarter bundle if you want it like that. So beautiful. I just particularly love the colour, this corally colour here. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'll just pop that back. So week 7, you have it up on the wall. It's a smaller block this week, so it's a square block, so not quite as much work. We've got some squares, we've got some little flying geese made up with our half square triangle blocks here, just some normal little 2.5 inch squares, so a really easy one to make. Again, always do your half square triangles first, and then you can just sew the whole thing together. So here it is all cut on my design board. I've got a little bitty design board, so this one fits on a smaller design board this week. So we've got it all cut out here, our half square triangles, my little number 7 on here so that I remember what it is when I go to sew the whole thing together, because I can only imagine what it would be like if you don't keep this under control and it's easy for me to get out of control. So that's all cut out. Again, we're just going to sew it. I sewed it in squares this time, so I sewed this square and then sewed it to this square here, and again this one to this one, and then sew them together. So it's a really easy week this week. I hope you're enjoying it. If there's any questions, let us know. We're more than happy to answer them. If you are putting questions on the YouTube there, we'll get back to you and answer anything you want to know. Again, send your photos through. We love to see them. And you know, we're into week 7 now, so we're across the halfway mark. So we're on the downhill run. So it won't be long and we'll be finished, and there'll be a beautiful quilt. And I'm really looking forward to seeing them all. So I'll see you next week, week number 8.